Navigating a divorce often means collecting years of bank statements, tax returns, and credit card records. The physical and digital paperwork starts stacking up fast, creating a heavy administrative burden precisely when your time and energy are stretched thin. Building an accurate financial picture out of those raw files requires strict organization, but it does not require a finance degree or a background in forensic accounting. Thrive Financial offers a dedicated setting called Novice Mode. It takes the platform's forensic analysis tools and translates them into a guided, plain language workflow. By following this step-by-step path directly in your browser, you can turn a disorganized stack of raw files into a clear, verified settlement plan. Before we begin, you should be logged into your Thrive account with your basic case profile set up and a few initial financial documents ready on your computer. Look at the bottom of the left-hand sidebar and click the toggle to switch your workspace from Advanced Mode to Novice Mode. Flipping this switch only changes how the application is presented to you. Both modes read from the exact same shared local database on your device, meaning your case data is completely safe when you move back and forth. Once activated, the sidebar labels shift. Technical module names are replaced with task-based instructions like Get Records and Investigate. A horizontal journey bar also appears at the top of your dashboard. This tracks your progress across 6 distinct stages: gather, verify, investigate, organize, negotiate, and present. This sequence anchors your work. You can check the bar at any time to see your exact location in the financial lifecycle and identify your immediate next step. Step 1 is to click Get Records. This is where you upload your initial financial documents into the system so it can begin extracting the raw data. Once extracted, move to Verify Records. Instead of asking you to review every line of a bank statement, the system reviews the data and surfaces a specific question when it needs your input, such as asking you to identify a cardholder alias. Novice Mode follows a strict rule: one item is one decision. If a mysterious cardholder name appears on 800 different transaction rows, you only answer the question once. That single answer resolves all of them instantly. After verifying your data, click Properties and Depths. This workspace is where you build out the central financial inventory for your case. When you add an asset here, the system prompts you with plain English ownership tags. You can easily mark a property as marital or assign it as a non-marital asset for a specific spouse. Thrive saves your edits directly to your local device before closing the editor. If your browser storage glitches or goes offline, the editor simply stays open with your typed work intact until a save confirmation message appears. Because the system bulk resolves repetitive transactions and automatically protects your unsaved work locally, you can safely organize thousands of records at your own pace. With a verified inventory, you are ready for the settlement worksheet. This is a planning aid used to model a fair division of your estate. The worksheet automatically pulls in every single asset and debt you logged in the previous step, eliminating duplicate data entry. As you assign items to one spouse or split them down the middle, the summary updates in real time. You can watch the resulting equalization payment adjust with every decision. Any item you leave unassigned is clearly flagged on the screen, guaranteeing that no asset is accidentally excluded during your planning. If you ever feel stuck on a specific screen, click the floating question mark in the lower right corner. It opens contextual instructions tailored exactly to the workspace you are currently using. For a broader overview of the process, you can access the full Novice Field Guide at any time through the Help and Support link in the sidebar. By organizing your files, verifying the extracted data, and modeling the outcomes yourself, you can hand off a clean, verified settlement proposal to your attorney. You have successfully taken a massive, chaotic pile of raw paperwork and turned it into a clear, straightforward progression. You now hold an organized financial inventory and a working settlement model that is ready to be exported, reviewed, and shared with advisors. To begin, log into the workspace, verify Novice Mode is on, and click Get Records. Gaining total clarity over your financial estate is entirely within your control, and it starts with your first document upload.